Right, P4. Maybe two new words for you today. I'm going to look at the word poem, and I'm going to look at the word rhyme. Funny spelling, the letter Y in the middle of the word, very strange. So poem and rhyme. Okay, let's look at the word poem first. Poem is a little bit of writing, and usually in a poem, what you get are words that rhyme. Now, rhyme means words with the same sound at the end of a word. So like this, whale and tail, the end sound is ale, ale and to-ale. So if the end sound is the same, we call it a rhyme. So if we look in here, we've got quite a few rhymes. I do the split as quick as a wink. I do them when I need a drink. So you've got the end sound ink, 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 drink. So wink, drink is what we call a rhyme. Okay, and let's find a couple of others. Okay, let's this one here. Here's a little poem. What would you do if you found a skunk all curled up, asleep in your bunk? So there, look, the end of the line, we've got skunk and bunk. The end sound unk, so skunk, skunk, smelly thing, and bunk, where you sleep. So skunk, bunk, unk is our rhyme. Okay, and maybe one more. Look on this page here. Do you know why a camel has a hump, hump, hump? Because when you ride him, he will bump, bump, bump. So hump, bump, the end sound is hump. So again, look, that is what we call a rhyme. The end of the word makes the same sound. It might not be the same spelling, but it's the same sound. So I'm going to look in workbooks. Okay, it's workbook page 11. Let's write it here. Page 11. And we've got a little poem here with some rhymes and then a few questions for you. So let's listen to the poem first.
Bubble trouble. Bubbles, bubbles can cause troubles, but they also can be fun. You can watch them float up in the air, but they cannot reach the sun. Bubbles, bubbles can cause troubles, but you cannot catch them. Stop! Watch them dance and shimmer, but touch them and they pop.
Okay, one more time. Let's play it again, shall we?
Track 79. Bubble trouble. Bubbles, bubbles can cause troubles, but they also can be fun. You can watch them float up in the air, but they cannot reach the sun. Bubbles, bubbles can cause troubles, but you cannot catch them. Stop! Watch them dance and shimmer, but touch them and they pop.
Okay, so here we've got our missing words. Let's put them into there. Okay, and then we've got to look for the rhyme. So let's look at the questions. A word that rhymes with bubbles, bubbles, troubles, bubbles, troubles, the same in sound. A word that rhymes with fun, fun and a word that rhymes with stop, stop and. Okay, and then 6 questions at the bottom. Now, all of these questions are about bubbles. More than one, so bubbles is the same as they. So let's look. So can bubbles cause troubles? Bubbles, bubbles can cause troubles. So the question is, can they? The answer will be yes, they can. Are bubbles fun? Okay. Do bubbles float up in the air? The question is do, the answer will be do or do not. And you're talking about bubbles. Bubbles is the subject. So, yes they do, no they don't. Can bubbles reach the sun? Question is can, the answer will be can or cannot. Yes they can, no they cannot. Can you catch bubbles? Okay, question is can, the answer will be can or cannot. And the last one, what happens when you touch bubbles? Okay, so it's workbook 11, a little poem, and look for the words that rhyme, and then see if you can do the 6 questions at the bottom, all about bubbles. Remember, if the question is can, the answer will be can or cannot. If the question is do, the answer will be do or do not. If the question is are, the answer will be they are or they are not. Okay.